Hey folks, I'm Justin from the research team here at Tenable. Today I want to talk about a recent advisory from CISA, the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency. On November 17th, they published a bulletin along with the FBI and the Department of Health and Human Services about a ransomware toolset called Hive. Hive is ransomware as a service, which means it can be purchased by any number of threat groups. Instead of taking the time to build their own malware, they can simply buy access to Hive's malware, which means the threat group's time to attack drops dramatically, and they can get to market, as it were, with their ransomware much more quickly with tools they know will be successful. Of course, this also means that many attackers are sharing the same code, which means it can get in the hands of investigators and law enforcement much more quickly. The investigators can analyze the tools and publish IOCs, or indicators of compromise, which any organization can use. You can examine the assets in your environment to see if they show evidence of these indicators, and then take action. You can also review the TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedures, followed by these threat actors that have been observed in the wild, and review your own controls to see if they'd be effective at stopping these threats. This is the reason the bulletin was published by CISA, to get these IOCs and TTPs into the hands of the public. So check out the bulletin, and it should help you minimize your exposure to this specific ransomware toolset.